We need Buhari to come back and take power. Tinubu to resign. Nigeria cries out. No be small thing, my people. As e be like this for this last one, they say that the Nigeria people don call say may President Tinubu resign may they bring Buhari come back. Make Buhari sit down for there say him better pass am. Things dey happen my people, we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Please share this video. Welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today is the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back. Please share this video as you don't watch am. This one na sharp. Let's quickly jump into this matter. Mo go know how they go for that area. They say that the people of Nigeria don't call the president Buhari, say make him come back come take power say the person wey him put for there wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he say the thing done too much e don red for every corner. Say they no fit buy a cup of garri soak again. They no even fit eat 3 square meal again for inside Nigeria. Everybody dey cry say make they find way carry this man comot and bring another person. Hey, now say this one don red though. I go play the video, make you watch before we come back on content. Before they go say na balabas to talk am. Watch the video.
Hold on. How much is the bag of rice when they enter? How much is it now?
But you say give and time.
How much is a liter of fuel before you enter? How much is it now? My brother, we don't want to do it again.
You don't want
Let him go.
Tinubu should go.
He should go.
Your brother, your father.
He's not my father. I'm not Tinubu by name.
You said my father.
The way it is now,
Friday, Saturday.
it looks as if we should go and beg Buhari to come back to come and rule the country again, because when Buhari was ruling us, we were complaining that Buhari is not doing well. Not even know that Buhari is just like Jesus Christ in Nigeria.
Buhari was like Jesus Christ.
Yes, compared to Tinubu, this Tinubu administration or what?
How is work, sir? The way he structured Lagos, what he did in Lagos, is going to use the same tech and transform Nigeria.
What me any day, anytime he will do.
But now people feel like he's just taking tax, and a lot of people say he's just sapping. They spend more money on fuel. They are not even making game like they used.
If he's sapping, if he's duping, if he's looting, of what benefit will it be to him at that age? What will he look to that he has not looked before? All we need to do is to rally around. You see, it's a general thing. I told you the other day that some of our relatives that are working in offices, we have 2 major dominant religion here in Nigeria, which is Christian and Muslim.
Thanks.
I never tell you he's the most competent.
You said Tinubu was competent, then he's our person.
He's our person. Then that does not mean that no, he's competent, but Nigeria matter.
How is it going for you right now, living in Nigeria?
It's not even only for me, for the whole entire masses.
No, for the APC supporter, people that said the way the man restructured Lagos is going to restructure Nigeria. How is it going for you right now?
See, the fact is that Nigeria are already spoiled beyond the repair.
But you said when Tinubu comes in that Buhari was the devil then.
Now, it's still on process. The matter is still on process. Let's see
what's on process. You said earlier this year by January our refinery will start working.
I said
this is late March. You said it.
I said it.
You said it.
I said the promise was January. January have already passed now.
But that was what your anchor on before the election, that by January our refinery, Port Harcourt refinery will start working.
If you can remember, what I told you is that if by 6 months Tinubu did not do anything.
But it's over 6 months now. May will make it one.
So nothing. We are expecting nothing from Tinubu again.
So are you disappointed?
100%.
So you go vote on next election?
God forbid. God forbid.
You will not vote.
I will not try.
You say Emilokon, no more Emilokon now.
No more Emilokon again. No. See our market. Everywhere is dry. We have been here till 7 o'clock. This is to 11.
But it's
I'm not even going to one walk.
But it's 8 years. 8 years.
No, it will not enter for the next second time. It will not enter for second time.
Now fight.
It will not be like this.
So you are highly disappointed.
100% though.
Will you say Yoruba as a tribe they are also disappointed?
The whole because Yoruba people, we are disappointed by Tinubu.
Is it Tinubu's fault or
it's Tinubu's fault.
Maybe
how much is the bag of cement before? How much is the bag before he entered? How much was the price? 5,005. How much is it now?
But you are saying give and time, give and time, give and time.
Hold on. How much is the bag of rice when he entered? How much is it now?
But you say give and time, give and
How
time.
much is a liter of fuel before he entered? How much is it now? My brother, we don't want to do it again.
You don't want
Let
to.
him go.
Tinubu should go.
He should go.
Your brother, your father.
He's not my father. I'm not Tinubu by name.
You said my father is our father.
He's not my father.
Let me ask you, uncle.
See his son here. His son there.
What's his name? Kí lorúkọ wọn. Kí lorúkọ wọn.
Tinubu Johnson.
Kí lorúkọ wọn first name wọn.
Johnson.
Okay.
Tinubu Johnson.
Mr. Johnson Tinubu. How is it? Èmi ló kàn. So no joy, bros.
You can see that no joy with my brother. My brother is best. See motor here. Since yesterday never go work.
Kò sọ́jà.
No market now.
Ibi tá a fojú síbẹ̀ ọ̀nà ò gbàbẹ̀.
No, a lot to do.
Ọ̀nà ti di. Kò sí wàhálà. Thank you, sir. God bless.
People where they are, where don't,
They know
Yeah.
they work, they collect
they know they collect salary. They plenty.
Like who, sir?
Huh?
Like who?
I'm making a statement that not mentioning them.
The civil servants or
Yes.
the politicians or the Senate.
The civil servants.
They don't work, they are collecting salary.
They don't carry their people line up. Where don't die, they recollect their money. And some people where don't die, where be civil servants, they don't go pay them their gratuity or their pension. They go allow, make that person die, that finish go. They go come begin to answer that name of that person, they collect money.
So living in Nigeria now, how does it feel?
Huh?
Living in Nigeria, how does it feel?
Nigeria no do again.
No joy now.
Nigeria don't come on since. We know there's nothing like Nigeria again.
Okay.
Not be today.
What will you say of this Tinubu administration, sir?
Terrible.
Almost a year in office now, 10 months in office. What will you say?
Now you turn to rule now.
All right.
So you don't have anything where you talk now.
No joy.
You go take a hair, carry am. So, but ghost workers, now then they kill Nigeria.
Okay. All right. Onwale, what will you say to what you have said?
My brother,
Ghost workers.
me actually, I was thinking that this Tinubu, they tell us that he has money.
Eh,
Me, I was thinking that with the money they said he has, he will be able to help this country.
yeah.
Not even knowing we come and be using our money, Nigerian money, to be traveled to Qatar, to London, to different countries in the world. So now, the way it is now,
Friday, Saturday.
it looks as if we should go and beg Buhari to come back to come and rule the country again, because when Buhari was ruling us, we were complaining that Buhari is not doing well. Not even know that Buhari is just like Jesus Christ in Nigeria.
Buhari was like
Buhari-
Jesus Christ.
Yes, compared to Tinubu, this Tinubu administration, or what?
How is work, sir?
Which work? Which work are
Your
you?
work now.
Work there again. Tinubu don't carry our work go now. No work. You know, see how we park our truck everywhere. No work. Nothing like work.
So what will you say?
A
Of this?
liter of diesel now is 1,800. Okay, tell me now, how will you buy and go to work and have your
So if you want to move your truck now from here to like Ogunabali, how many liters of diesel do you think you spend?
Ogunabali, with 15 liters, 15 liters can take you from here to Ogunabali and come back.
15 liters is how much?
15 liters, that's it with 1,800 now.
Wow. And if they say come, a company call you to come and pick something there now. So you mean you spend 15 liters?
Yes, we have to ask for advance, otherwise we will not go.
So is that terrible?
100% terrible.
What will you say now? Make they come on Tinubu or which? What is currently going on as an
Yes, so my wonderful people, una don welcome back as una don see am as e take dey happen for that area. Una don hear am o, Nigeria as dey para every day, but the worst part of it be say this government see say people no dey complain o. I no know whether they dey see am at all abi the area wey they dey live, that place na London. But however, e don be as e go be o, and they say that the rain wey dey fall one day e go still full bucket. As the people dey complain, one day they go still wake up o say e don too much, they no go gree again. That time everybody go dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. My people, abeg may you share this video and also follow and subscribe to this channel as e dey happen. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back.